Good morning. Yes?
Go door dashing today?
No.
Mommy?
Yes.
You want to go to the green playground.
Say good morning. Minna.
No.
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 I'm so bad. Get away from me. You say good morning?
Good morning.
That one back there, I don't know where she came from. She's just so bad and annoying. But she's 2 now, so she thinks she could do what she wants. Look at her, just chilling. A mess. But we just woke up. That one actually got a stuffy nose, so I might have to give her, I'm going to give her some medicine. Nothing wrong with this one. My throat hurts. You can hear it. It's been hurting since yesterday, but I don't care. I still wanted to do a day in the life today, so hello, welcome. This is a day in the life. Yeah, so come along today with me. I'm just going to record today. I'm not going anywhere because I don't have a car, because the boyfriend's annoying. And his car is, he's fixing the other car, so he needs our car to go back and forth to work. He was supposed to bring it back yesterday, but of course he didn't. He said he'd be back and never came back. So, yeah. But yeah, a game came on late last night, so that's the reason why he really didn't come back. But I don't care. Nobody tell you to not come back. What?
You and my haircut.
She want her hair cut now because somebody on her one of her little videos that she's watching got their hair cut, even though right before I said, you want your hair cut? Because I was doing her hair. And she said no. Now she wants her hair cut. She ain't getting that cut. They were supposed to DoorDash yesterday and today, but he never came back with the car, so. Yeah. So we're in the house. We're stuck in the house doing house stuff. I gotta do a load of laundry. You see their little clothes right there? Right there, that's their clothes. It's like filled to the room. Half of the clothes in there are old clothes. I like got all the old clothes out there, drawers and threw them in there. So I just really gotta just take that out, and not really that much clothes. I just gotta put away the summer clothes and bring out the winter clothes, and I gotta go in my closet. I want to show you my closet. My closet is filled to the freaking rim. So I'm going to show you that later. I need to get some of their get some of their winter clothes out, and jackets, and boots, because it's getting cold. And I got to take out my air conditioner, because it's been so freaking hot. It's so freaking cold, and air just don't push in. So I gotta take that out so we can be cool tonight. Yeah. I'll see you later after we get some breakfast. And I need some tea. My throat is just killing me. Hello, it's me. It's probably hear videos in the back. They're watching videos in the front room. But I have to do some laundry. This is the soap that I just got for us. Yeah, I gotta put my name on it. And I'm about to do their laundry, so yeah, I'll show you that. Let me do that. What? Alright. And I'm gonna get them some breakfast and then get me some freaking tea. Okay? Hold on 1 second. Because she needs something. Okay, I'm back. Oh, and it's Friday the 13th. Happy Friday the 13th. Do anybody say Happy Friday? I don't know, but I'm gonna say it. Happy Friday the 13th. It is, I don't know, like 2 weeks away from Halloween, and I don't got them nothing. They don't got no costumes. They don't got nothing. I don't know if I'm even going trick-or-treating. My gosh, here comes the crybaby. It's cold. Go put your robe on. Can you get out of here? Let me do this laundry. Oh, and this is not Dawn, but they said put a little bit of this to get like more like a cleaner to your clothes. Cleaner feeling. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit of this, even though it's that. Palmolive. However you say it. I'm only gonna put a little bit because it is the kids' clothes, so, and it's not that much left. I just wanted to use the rest of that. We actually got a bigger bottle, so I'll probably just fill it back up.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly.
I might have to do another load because I'm about to be getting out the winter clothes out the closet, so I might have to do another load of laundry. What you doing? Look at her little robe. She's so cute. That's the robe Ava wants. It needs to be cleaned. So I like to up. But no, you wanted the other robe, you get that robe. The pink one goes to Mini Man because she actually waited for a robe instead of her being a butt cheek. She's so cute with her little robe, so cozy. Okay, I gotta give her some medicine because her nose keep running. So yeah, let me get back to it. I just found a little sock that I lost. What that they lost? It was Ava's sock. I layer my clothes like cake. I know I keep talking, but I put a layer of clothes and then some soap, clothes, soap, you know. But it's not that much clothes. It's supposed to be clothes, soap, clothes, and then soap on top. Yeah, I lay it like a cake because I don't feel like the clothes get clean with just a little bit of soap on top. No. Change of a robe. And look at her little slippers. They like the same. Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Robe. So cute. Okay, laundry is on. If it would like stop being blurry. Okay, laundry is done. I did pause it because I gotta go get their jackets because I need to wash their jacket. And then yeah, we can get some breakfast.
Look at this.
It's shaped like the sun because we hoped it would be sunny.
So let me have a try.
Okay, you got Minnie, Mickey Mouse, and there's Minnie and Mickey Mouse on the table.
Give me baby.
That's your baby.
No, we were just about to leave. Oh.
Got me a little tea. It's the decaf Lipton. Can you see it? Hello, I'm back. I have a little tea, so my voice is a little better. I have the little tea. And I got some hauls. So yeah, hold on, let me show you the hauls. I did little cough drop stuff. I hate being sick. So now this is the day in the life with us being sick. Ava also just started running. Her nose just started running, so she needs medicine too. The medicine is not downstairs, it's up here. I gotta look. I put all the medicine somewhere, so I think it might be in a drawer. I gotta look. And then I'm gonna do the closet. Like, I don't feel like it. I feel like just laying down and taking a nap and watching a movie. But I need to get their clothes out because it's getting cold. And that air conditioner gotta get out. And I gotta move that fridge. You wanna see?
Mommy,
Fridge gotta move to get to the air conditioner. Get the air conditioner in the closet. And I gotta move all that to get into the closet. So that's gonna be a whole lot.
Mommy,
Yes.
we need mini wipes.
You gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, get wipes. This stomach rumbling.
Mommy,
What?
one or
Just
that.
grab it. There's only one left in there. Just to take that one. Just take it. Take it and go. Take it and go. The whole thing. There's only one wipe in there.
It's cute. Mommy,
What?
it have another one in there.
There's one.
Another
Oh.
one.
Okay, go to the bathroom. So yeah. And I should have known I was getting sick. I get headaches before I get sick. And yesterday, like midday, because we was out doing stuff, I was constantly getting headaches, and I should have known. I don't ever get headaches, like ever. And I don't know where I started getting headaches. I should have known sick was coming. So I'm be taking some ibuprofen. Maybe just like one. I'm taking one ibuprofen. There's 200 milligrams. So I'm gonna take one. Drink on my tea. Take some medicine. And yeah. Who hates being sick? I think I do. I'm back. Okay, I found some medicine for them. This is the pain and fever medicine. Grape. Hold on. And for me, we're doing the daytime cold and flu relief. So yeah, I did find some on TikTok that said with the orange, and then you give them the orange soup, like after you cook the orange on the stove. So I gotta see if we have oranges, and then if so, we're all taking that. See you in a second. I do a lot of pieces. Peace, honey, because I just want to keep happening. It's a habit. Hello, I am back. I'm not doing anything today. I was gonna do that closet stuff because this morning, for some reason, I just had energy, but I did the laundry. The laundry is actually back there. You can see it. Look at my nips. But yeah, I don't have the energy for that right now. It's like my energy just dropped as the day went. So I was just laying in bed, and then I chose to get up and make the kids some lunch. She's calling me. They down there eating their lunch right now, so I am about to eat my lunch. Here's my lunch. I got the little table set up. Got some crab legs, and the boyfriend got me some seafood yesterday. So yeah, get the water. And that's that. The kids took some medicine. Their nose is still running, but they feel better. They're running around. But they didn't really was down. They just had runny nose and a fever. But now they're just running around with a runny nose. But I think today this is just going to be the end of this day in the life video, because I don't have no energy to do anything else. I'm not doing any of that until I feel better. So yeah, I'm watching my little YouTube, the Maisley family. Who else watched them? This video is old though, it's from a month ago, but I was so behind on their videos that I had to catch up. But yeah, I'm watching them. About to eat my food, and then I'm gonna lay back down, drink some water. And I didn't take no medicine 'Cause I don't like taking medicine, so I'm gonna just try to fight it off naturally. And yeah, so see you in the next video. I was gonna go downstairs and show the kids, but I don't feel like going back down them dang steps. I just came back up with all my food and the laundry and my tea and stuff, but I'm not going back down there. So yeah, I hope you like the video. Subscribe. Like I said, you can't click that. I just like it popping up on the screen. Subscribe down below. There's a white button. I said red last time. I think it's white now, or just on phones it's white. I don't know, but yeah, click the little subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. No membership, no nothing. Freebie. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm so low I can't. Oh well. I can't get any higher. Peace out.